20 brands leaping into the metaverse. These brands is thinking about the future and not just about today. These are some of the most outstanding brands we have in this entire world, and let's go through this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And this is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now let's go through this very slowly. Nike is the first one on the list when it comes to breaking through the metaverse marketplace, Nike Land. So they started this opportunity in terms of the Nike Land in November of 2021, and they have headquarters in Oregon, as we know. But this is what they're kind of looking like. Look at this metaverse. This was actually on Twitter in 2021. I can still play a little bit of it, and this is what it kind of looks like. Looks kind of cool here. This is a little bit of metaverse, a little bit of digital type of marketing. It looks pretty good to me. Nike's first one on the list. Now the second one is Wendy's. Look at Wendy's metaverse outfit selecting, and the fast food chain Wendy's have always kept up the latest trends among the youth. Avatar that you see here got the different outfits. I'm liking what I'm seeing. So you also have Wendy's. Samsung, I'm not surprised on here, creating the world you want. And Samsung, I have a Samsung, and every time I ever go to Verizon, they are talking about the future, and metaverse fits their actually vision. Hyundai, look at that. Okay, looks like cartoons, Legos. Hyundai pioneers the digital automotive experience of Roblox with its participation in the metaverse. Wow, okay, looks pretty good. All right, Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola's getting into the action. The first actually soft drink that I see on this list that Coca-Cola is getting involved in NFT collection as well in OpenSea. So not only the metaverse, breaking through the metaverse with his legacy, he's also trying to be committed with the NFT as well. We are also at Sentosa. All right, welcome to in Singapore. All right, so you got the sand. You also got a little bit of a animal and very beach look that I'm seeing here in Singapore. I like it. The Walking Dead, look at that. Invades the metaverse. I like this here. And look at this, the sandbox is all on this. Sandbox to me is one of the top metaverse tokens that we have in there, along with Decentraland, in my opinion here. So look at this. The sandbox joined forces with Skybound Entertainment to add a game inspired by the hit series, which is The Walking Dead. Love it. Louis Vuitton, look at this. Entering to the metaverse. Let me play a little bit this. I'll turn down it. Metaverse, Louis the game, and you got Vivian is you. Interesting. And travel through multiple worlds. This is actually very interesting. Louis Vuitton to get involved in the metaverse. All right, and with the fashion industry is the next best thing to reinvent the metaverse marketplace. Adidas joins Nike on this list as well. Into the metaverse, Bored Ape Yacht Club, Punks Comics, and more. So you have that. Gucci's on the list as well on the metaverse. Treasure hunts among popular game settings in the metaverse, and Gucci is using that as well. We also have this as well. Oh, I like the outfits here in the metaverse. Fortnite remains to be a favorite venue for the brand launching into the metaverse. I like that. You got Burberry. Okay. You got this. Is it Burberry? Drops Energy Collection in the Methodical Games. Loving it. So you got Burberry. It's another high fashion staple taking marketing to video game platforms. And then we have this one here. I'm just going to go out Ferrari. We had Tommy Hilfiger, liking it. Vans. We got Ralph Lauren. Look at this. Ralph Lauren's on the list. We also have Forever 21. Got clothing store. Got the little runway image there. We also have Atari. So one of the first video games I'm seeing on here as well, like old school type games. And then the last one is Christie's. Christie's on here too. So Christie's an auction house with an eye for demand and uniqueness. So 20 brands. I'll go and zoom in for a minute. That's involved in the metaverse. These are the brand names. And I'm liking what I'm seeing because I really feel like it's important to start thinking about the future. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. 20 brands leaping into the metaverse, and this is the Clear Crypto YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.